Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about T ROWE Group INC quarterly report. T ROWE Group Inc. offers a wide range of services to various clients. The company provides investment management services to individuals, institutional investors, retirement plans, financial intermediaries, and institutions. Its business includes launching and managing equity and fixed income mutual funds. The firm's services also include investment in public equity and fixed income markets across the globe, employing fundamental and quantitative analysis with a bottom-up approach utilizing in-house and external research to make investments socially responsible investing. Focusing on environmental, social, and governance issues, investing in late-stage venture capital transactions, the company has a global presence with offices in multiple countries, providing its services to clients worldwide. The stock price of T ROWE Group Inc. has made no significant changes in the past year due to a combination of factors. Despite experiencing net outflows of $24.3 billion in Q4 2024 and other quarterly outflows, the company's total assets under management, AUM, increased due to market appreciation and income. This growth helped offset the negative impact of client withdrawals. The mixed earnings performance also played a role, with the company beating EPS estimates in some quarters but not experiencing a significant stock price increase. However, the consistent dividend payouts provided support for income-focused investors and limited further downside. T ROWE's strategic efforts to adapt to industry changes, including launching new ETF offerings and exploring cryptocurrency investment options, are aimed at offsetting outflows from traditional products and remaining competitive. Analyst sentiment and valuation also suggest that the company might be undervalued, with a price-to-earnings ratio below the industry average. Overall, the persistent asset outflows, mixed earnings performance, and strategic efforts have contributed to T ROWE's stock performance over the past year, preventing a more severe downturn, but resulting in an 8.86% to 9.7% decline. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline for the company can be attributed to several key factors. On the growth side, investment advisory fees saw a significant increase of $679.9 million, representing a 7% rise in revenue. Investment income also contributed to this growth, increasing by $170.8 million, or 7.3%. Distribution revenue experienced a modest but steady increase, with a 4.9% jump in Q3 and a 6.4% increase for the 9 months ended September 30. On the decline side, investment management fees saw a decrease of $10.4 million, representing a 0.6% drop in revenue. Administrative, distribution, services, and other fees also experienced a slight decline due to reclassification of revenue from managed account model delivery assets. Fluctuations in financial markets and composition of assets under management are also notable factors that can impact revenue growth or decline. However, these factors are not as directly tied to specific revenue streams as the drivers mentioned above. Net income and profit margins experienced fluctuations between 2024 and 2025. Net income saw a 6% increase in Q3 2025, but a 2.1% decrease YTD. The 9-month net income decreased by $31.8 million compared to the same period in 2024. Profit margins remained relatively stable, with a slight decline from 34.3% in 2024 to 34% in 2025. The improvement in profit margins was attributed to higher investment gains due to stronger market returns and increased cash and investment holdings. However, net income attributable to redeemable non-controlling interests saw mixed results, increasing by $3 million in the 9 months, but decreasing by $8.6 million in the 3 months. Timing differences in cash settlement of assets and liabilities, as well as changes in acquisition-related amortization of intangible assets, contributed to these fluctuations. Despite these variations, net income allocated to common stockholders saw a 7.9% increase in Q3 2025 compared to the same period in 2024. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. With an impressive $13,425 million in operating cash flow over the past 9 months, it is clear that the business is generating positive operating cash flow. This suggests that the company has sufficient liquidity to meet its financial obligations and invest in growth opportunities. Management is aligning expense growth with anticipated revenue growth through cost reduction and strategic investments. Key strategies include investing in technology and hiring professionals to enhance investment expertise, focusing on increasing average assets under management for fee revenue growth, emphasizing operating income, investment gains, and diluted earnings per share expansion, returning value to stockholders through dividends and share repurchases. Management anticipates fluctuating revenues due to market volatility and economic changes. The company's financial summary reveals that it has engaged in two key shareholder return strategies. Firstly, the company has paid dividends to its shareholders, indicating a commitment to distributing profits to investors. Secondly, the company has also bought back shares from the market, which can help increase earnings per share and boost investor confidence. That concludes the financial summary for T ROWE Group Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.